So when it comes to building a team, I think the most important thing is finding a co-founder. Luckily, my co-founder Seb and I go many years back. We went to university together. But I think more importantly, we really complement each other. So we have very different strengths, and I think that is worth its weight in gold. Seb is so on point. He loves, getting into the weeds and getting into the detail. And to be honest, I am not good at detail, but I am very good at thinking strategically and from a design perspective. So find somebody who complements you, and ideally somebody that you know really well, because in many ways it's a very kind of deep relationship that you're building. So somebody that you can trust. But once you've got that co-founder, really the sky's the limit.